First thing I'd like to address today is, what does the Social Security application process look like? It's one of the most common questions that we receive here at Stanley Law. The first step is to actually file your application with the Social Security Administration. Once you've filed your application, the state agency will conduct an initial review. If they determine that your case is favorable, they'll go ahead and issue a favorable decision at that time. If not, they'll issue a denial, and then you can request reconsideration, which is asking them to take a second look. After the reconsideration determination, the state agency will either award your case or issue a second denial. After the second denial, your next step is the third step, which is to request a hearing before an administrative law judge. Once the judge holds your hearing, he will take testimony from you as well as a vocational expert, and then he or she will issue a written decision. That decision can be favorable, it can be partially favorable, or it can be unfavorable. If you receive an unfavorable or partially favorable decision, you do have appeal rights. You can file a request for review with the Appeals Council and ask them to review the ALJ's decision. If the Appeals Council finds that the administrative law judge abused his or her discretion, if the decision contains errors of law, or if the decision is not supported by substantial evidence, the Appeals Council will remand that case back to the hearing level for another hearing. If the Appeals Council does not find any of those bases for sending the case back to the hearing level, you do have additional appeal rights and can take the case all the way to federal district court. The process can be somewhat lengthy and often takes months. But as you can see, the Social Security application process involves many administrative levels, each of which come with very strict deadlines. While you can go it alone, the more important question is, why would you go it alone? Here at Stanley Law, you have a dedicated staff of professionals who are trained to do this. I personally bring almost 20 years of experience working for Social Security. You navigate the process, provide you with advice each step of the way, and hopefully avoid the pitfalls that you might encounter should you try to go the application process on your own.